Hi everyone, this is Fred from 4x4 Shop. Today we add backup camera to a 2013 Honda Civic. We do have the OEM fit backup cameras for Honda Civic. As you can see, that's the replacing license plate light that it comes with LED lights. So from 2012 and up, if you have Honda Civic and it doesn't come with the backup camera, we can add backup camera. As you can see right now, we are on park. I go to reverse, the screen change to backup camera, and it comes with the lines too. And I go back to park, it goes back to normal mode. If you're interested to get these type of backup cameras, you can give us a call at 905-604-4294, or you can visit our website at 4x4shop.ca. I'm going back to show you when the LED lights they turn on. Yeah, as you can see, the LED lights are on now, and they're super bright for your license plate. Thank you and have a great day.